state has, use state hook has. But that's true. I mentioned this topic many times.
It's look like a. I just know the definition. Like it's like a box.
Okay,
Yeah.
Function, sir.
okay, Ravi, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Function.
Okay, what is the other thing?
Function.
Okay, Akil.
Class function, class something.
No, use state hook has two things. One is a variable, the other one is function. Okay, first one is a state means variable. Second one is manage state. Manage state means the function. So okay, so okay, first one, uh, use state variable. Okay, state variable, state equal to variable, then manage state. Manage state is a function. Okay, use state hook has two things. One is a state variable, second one is a manage state, which is a function. What does the function do? It updates whatever you have the value. Whatever you have the value. Syntax. Okay, syntax ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే how the syntax look like? So const state comma and you set state. S should be capital here, equal to use state. This is a syntax. Okay, this is a syntax. So const state is a variable, set state is a function. Make sense? Make sense, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, this is example const city, set city equal to use state Hyderabad. I explained this topic many times. I'm feeling sad. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so city means city is assigned to Hyderabad. It will take this value. What is inside? This Hyderabad. So city means Hyderabad. When you want to update, when you want to change, when you want to update the city to Hyderabad, to Mumbai, Chennai, Coimbatore, Kodaikanal, Ooty, those cities, if you want to update, you have to use a set city function to update the value. Make sense? So city, what city means what? Variable, right? What is the value? Hyderabad. What is the value?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. But when you want to change the value Hyderabad to Chennai, Mumbai, some different city, you have to use the use state function to update the value. Okay, sister, we
Okay.
also started a DSA course, sister. But yeah, you cannot make it to that course.
What is that?
DSA, data
DSR.
structures and algorithms, like coding interview questions.
When you started?
Started 2 days. Akil, Pavan new student. Ravi also, Ravi. So yeah,
Oh,
but a lot of work, sister. That because that's only for coding interviews. When you get a call from the company, they will ask you solve this problem, those questions.
but we haven't learned yet, right? The
Yeah,
coding.
no, 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 that's what DSA is for. This is a new course, but we don't use JavaScript. I only use Python to teach.
For using Python, huh?
Yeah,
Okay. But what time you starting that one?
that one.
Too much
Yeah,
work, huh?
I think yeah, because it's not going to helpful for you, sister. Because
Oh, okay.
no, it's very helpful React, because sorry, DSC is very important because without DSA, no one will crack the interview until unless they have to be super super smart.
Oh, I have to learn that too.
Learning will help you.
Hmm.
Hey, ఇలాగైనా ఎట్లాగైనా. So what is the project we talked about yesterday? Mm, pizza restaurant. Pizza restaurant. No, that's different. This is Python, JavaScript for 101, DOM. Flask, HTML, fancy counter, Marine Stack, portfolio, web, Python, React for no, React only, React projects. Let's see this one has. Okay, this one, React projects. Okay, so I'm using this one for practice. Okay, so this is our thing. What is our topic right now?
Use state.
Okay, okay, prop container. Now I'm creating one more folder. Okay, I'm creating maybe not a folder. Let's create a maybe let's create a file, state mgm management dot JSX. What is JSX stands for?
JavaScript.
Yeah, JavaScript XML.
XML.
Okay. If you install RFACE, if you type RFACE, then you will get a function, arrow function. You will get a arrow function. So it will give you default one. Okay. So type RFCE, then enter. You will get this one. Okay. So what is our topic now?
React. Use state usual.
Use state hook. So when you use a use state hook, you have to import use state. You have to import a use state. Okay. Next, going here, let's say it's a const. What was our example?
We can do implement on this, right? Reverse string on this page on Java app.gsx on this page.
Yeah. So no, you have to render your component into app.jsx. See, app.jsx is like a main method, but this is not the main. Everything goes index.js. But anyways, so let's finish the topic first. Then I will solve your questions, because if I address your questions, then I will stay there where I started.
Okay.
Okay. So const. What are the two things as a use state?
Function and variable.
Yeah, first we have to say variable. Variable is a state. State, then set state. Set state is a function, state is a variable. So here I was talking about city. Okay, comma set city. So make sure that, okay, I took the name. What was the name I took?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad here, Mumbai.
Hyderabad. Okay, make sure that you have to remember one thing. So this city, if you say city, same thing you have to say set city, but city here starts from S, sorry, capital C. Here small, here is capital C. Any questions here? Okay, so if I come here, console console console.log city, console.log city. So set city. Okay, console.log city. Okay, so here you have to render your component. What is your component name? What is the component name? Okay,
State mgm.
JX. Stay.
Okay, so not you have to render here, not rendering goes here, but here just I'm saying something like div. Here I'm writing state mgm. Okay, this is state management. Okay, so set city equal to city comma set city, this one. Okay, now so what will npm start, what will happen if I type npm start? Will my project will run?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys sure?
I think you need to import or export in this, right? You need to.
No. So one thing, when you want to run your project, make sure that you have to check you are in the right folder. What is your folder here?
Projects. So
What
you
is
need
what
to
is
go
our,
CD.
so I am in a wrong project. So you have to pwd check. So now you are in the this path. It will give you the path. So now cd space projects projects. Now you are in the same folder. Now npm start. Okay,
Why PWD?
to check where is your path. So we got this four values, right? This is our last night class. Okay, what is your question, sister?
Why PWD? Like,
PW will tell you what is your path, like so where are you right now. It will tell you where are you in the folder, what folder you are in.
so you.
So when
Okay,
you
you
use
using
PWD, it will tell you what is your path. So it told me that I am in React here, but I am not here. So that then I will use cd space, cd means change directory to this current project folder. Okay, makes sense, guys?
Yes.
Now I'm going here. Okay, first of all, you have to import here. What you have to import? Import,
Yeah, import the file yeah, first.
no, the component statement state mgm. Okay, this component you have to import this component. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this all because I don't need this one, because I'm not doing this. My topic is, okay, state mgm. Okay, so this is my topic, right? So I render this. See, I got this one because what is our topic. So now I'm using here the props concept. My, let's say, what is the object name? Okay, so uh, okay, so let's say my, okay, not my car. So suppose I'm going to change this one to my car. Okay, so I'm changing this one to my car. Instead of these all, I'm going to change it to the different things like model. Okay, model BMW year 2022 2020, dealer Nixon, maybe color red. Okay, so if I use this one, this is object. If I wanted to use the different object, now you come here, my car. Okay, my car. Okay, for the naming convention, I should not use like, okay, come on here, my car. So my car equal to my car. Okay, so you pass this variable name. Both are, this one is not the same, but this one is the same. Okay, whatever you have curly brackets, which means this both are same. Okay, any questions here? So I created I don't need these two. And also I'm also going to take this off because I'm not using those anymore. So in this component I have a variable name mycar equal to same. You can give different name here, maybe mycar1, so that you don't get confused, right? Because this object you passed here. Okay, so oh my goodness. Okay, I should not okay, let me, okay, one thing, I'm gonna keep those ones, and I'm going to take this one calling here. Let's go back to here, second component, let's say second comp equal to mycar1 equal to mycar. So this one, so let's see. Okay, it's not happening anything. Okay, then but if you go here, if you come to inspect, you can see here, so you got a Hyderabad. That's the different thing. So because you only assigned, see, only assigned, so Hyderabad, so you just assigned the value to the Hyderabad, but you never used this function set city. So now I'm going to go here, console.log city. Now I come here, what I'm going to do, I call the set city function. Set city, I passed Delhi, just pass Delhi. So now okay, uncaught error, so we will fix the too many renders. Okay, so don't worry about error. Okay, we will fix the error, but if we go here, okay, see, did you see it's updating to Delhi, Hyderabad, then Delhi, right? So set function it updates the value. If you want to change the value, it changes Delhi. So now what we have to do, you called a Delhi, so make sure that when you call function, you have to remember one thing. So remember, the most important thing you have to remember is how you set up this value. Okay, how you set up this value. Okay, so you have to use a condition. You come up with a condition or whatever you want to, you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, so but how you gonna fix this value, how you gonna fix this problem, because I'm getting an error. Okay, but don't worry about this error. How you gonna fix this error? That's my question. How you gonna fix an error? But the thing is, if you see here, the Delhi is calling, right? The Delhi is calling. So that is the syntax you set up to the value to the different thing. So